Hi everyone, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Here we have episode 2, which is cocoa bread. Now cocoa bread is synonymous with Jamaica, so here's how I make mine. To start with, we're going to measure our coconut milk into a bowl with some sugar and some yeast and oil. We're going to whisk these together until it's dissolved. Then we want to heat the mix on low until it warms just a little. This will allow the yeast to get activated with the sugar. Don't heat it too much, otherwise it can kill the yeast and the milk can burn. Once it's been heated a little, you can leave it to cool whilst we prepare the other ingredients. So I'm adding to a bowl some plain flour here. And then we're going to add our cooled coconut milk mix and blend the dough together. As you need, it will be a little sticky, but it's going to create a really nice, soft and bouncy style dough. Once you've brought the dough together, you can cover it and leave it to proof for around 30 minutes. Once the dough has proved, it should have increased in volume. Just scrape it out of the bowl gently, and then we are going to turn this dough out onto a floured surface and divide into 8 equal balls. Once we've divided the dough, we want to roll out each ball. Then we're going to spread around a tablespoon of butter per cocoa across bread. The surface. Then we're going to fold over one side to create a half moon shape. So you can just repeat the process for all of your remaining cocoa breads. So once all of the breads have been buttered and folded, we're going to place them on a lined baking tray and leave them to prove again, covered with some cling film or a towel for about 30 minutes, and then we can put them in the oven. So these are proved for about 30 minutes now. Just before we bake them, we're going to brush them with even more butter to go on top. This just makes them really nice and rich and buttery, and that's just what makes cocoa bread great. So these have been buttered now, and they're going to go in the oven for 40 minutes on 160 degrees C. But again, best way to check is that when they're nice and golden brown on top and springy to touch, then you know that they have baked all the way through. And here we have it. Here's my cocoa bread, lovely and golden brown. They're soft and bouncy. So I'm going to put a nice juicy patty in the middle and enjoy this for myself. Hope you guys like this one, and until the next time, peace and love.